Most people get this wrong. They assume all affordable mobile carriers are basically the same, but Tello and Visible have very different strengths depending on your priorities. Today, they'll break it down so you can decide which is better for you. Tello is known for its highly customizable plans. You can choose exactly how many minutes, text, and data you want, and the pricing adjusts accordingly. This is perfect if you use very little data or only need a basic plan because you won't pay for features you don't need. Visible, on the other hand, is an all-inclusive carrier owned by Verizon. It offers unlimited talk, text, and data with 5G access included, all for a flat monthly rate. Most people don't realize how much value this can be if you use your phone heavily for streaming or work. Network coverage is another key difference. Tello operates on T-Mobile's network, which has strong coverage in urban areas, but can be spotty in rural regions. Visible runs on Verizon's network, which consistently ranks as one of the most reliable nationwide. The surprising truth is that price isn't always the deciding factor. While Tello can be cheaper for light users, Visible often provides better overall value for anyone who relies on fast, reliable data and nationwide coverage. In conclusion, choose Tello if you want a customizable, low-cost plan for light usage, and pick Visible if you need unlimited data, 5G speed, and reliable coverage everywhere. Both have their advantages. It just depends on your lifestyle. Subscribe for more honest carrier comparisons to help you pick the right mobile plan.